in the print industry for nearly 30 years. That's a bit of a journey. We were looking at an online e-com site for the business about 5 years ago, and we tried various platforms, but what we always found was the amount of conditional logic, the amount of variations in product just led us down various rabbit holes. And we could never find a solution that gave the client, the exact best UI to get that price and product list from the site. We actually tried using a Shopify site, but the problem we had was, in order to do the complicated calculations and issues with delivery and integrations with various third-party platforms, we had to use numerous apps to do that. And by the time we got to a solution about 18 months later, what we found was that the page load times were about 10-13 seconds, which I guess in any situation is an absolutely horrendous experience for any customer. That I came across OnPrintShop. And after spending some time reviewing some of the details of the product offering, I thought, wow, this is exactly what we're looking for here. But working together in partnership, we were able to formulate a solution that gave us what we needed in terms of job management and gave our customers a solution to get their pricing pretty much straight away. I guess the fact that I had already used the software 1 year prior to COVID starting, we had that year of getting to use the software, and a lot of our clients were using it also. And because the software was able to give our clients that immediate pricing for products, probably 65% of our clients utilize the website to buy product from us, as opposed to telephone contacts, the emails, back and forward in order to get the product solution that they required. Even after COVID, I guess the biggest change for us is the amount of hands-off time that we have to manage clients. But generally, the support for you guys has been first class. I can honestly say there's been not one question that I've asked of you guys that has been answered. It may well be that it's not been an off-the-shelf, solution that you've had to go away and do a bit of revision on what I need, but you've always come back to me with a solution.